Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you an easy fix for an iPhone 6 that has a frozen screen. This is a very easy method to fix a frozen screen on an iPhone 6, an iPhone 6 Plus, an iPhone 6S, pretty much any iPhone within the 6 series. Now it's a very easy method and it works most of the time. Now what you want to do is you want to press and hold down the home button and also the lock button over here, the side button, at the same time. And you want to press and hold them down for at least 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. So let's say that this phone had a frozen screen, okay? All that you would do, you would press and hold down this button, the home button, and then the lock button over here on the side. Press and hold them down for at least 10 seconds, and then you'll see an Apple logo appear on the screen. And what that does is that resets the phone. So I've been in many situations where an iPhone has been frozen, and when it has been an iPhone 6, a 6 Plus, a 6S, whether it was my wife's phone or my friend's phone, this has worked. So I've seen many people use this method and it works the majority of the time, but you have to press and hold down the home button and the side button, the lock button. Press and hold them down at the same time for at least 10 seconds until you see that Apple logo appear on the screen. And then what happens is your phone will pretty much restart, and that should fix the problem the majority of the time. There are other things that you can do if that doesn't work, but that should be your first line of defense. That should be the first thing that you do. And like I said, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Once you see the Apple logo appear, you can release the buttons and then just give your phone a few minutes to restart. And even once it restarts, I would recommend giving your phone 2 to 3 minutes just to load everything up and get everything up to speed. So if your screen is frozen, sometimes I've seen a screen frozen on the home screen, on the lock screen, within an app. Pretty much if your screen is frozen and your phone is unresponsive, so you're pressing the home button, you're pressing the lock button. This battery is not charged right now, that's why nothing's happening, but you're pressing the home button, you're pressing the lock button, you're pressing the volume buttons, you're pressing all the buttons and nothing's responding. If you're in a situation like that with an iPhone 6, an iPhone 6 Plus, an iPhone 6S, pretty much any iPhone within the 6 series, then you just press and hold down the home button and the lock button. Press and hold them down at the same time. So I would just press and hold them down just like that at the same time for at least 10 seconds. Then once I see the Apple logo appear, you can release the buttons and just let your phone restart. Now, like I said, this should work the majority of the time. It has, at least in my experience. Let me know if this works down below in the comment section. Just let me know if it works for you. Post a comment to let me know whether it worked or it didn't work, okay? Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if the instructions were clear, if it was easy to understand, and be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.